better move, you little bunny.
Hey, stop that. Hey, that's what you get.
I see you, bunny.
Thank you, Ducky. Thank you, Ducky.
Welcome, bunny. Better get out of here. Sharky and Phoebe are sleeping.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, guys.
Hi.
What happened to this clown? Why is he a zombie now?
Cause I don't know. He was just being mean to me, and then zombies came, and they just turned him into a zombie.
Why are zombies eating zombies? Is it because he's dead now?
I don't know.
Maybe we should kill him while he's down there. Yeah. You know what? I'll finish him.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna do Super Sumo. Move out of the
Okay.
way.
Wow. What do I do?
Do nothing.
Okay.
Winnie the Pooh? No. Poor Winnie.
Oh my God.
I think I broke Winnie.
Okay.
Oh, I have a good idea. Maybe we should trap the dog.